All right, last viewpoint before I walk back to the car. I never get tired of the view up here. And I wish you could feel what it feels like here. That's something that I can't quite... Oh, I see the raven on the top of a cactus. The feeling is something that I can't quite convey because for me, I feel like I'm being caressed by all these mountain ranges. They feel so protective and strong and enveloping, but in a good way. I lived in the southern Alabama for about 4 years, and the whole time I lived there, I felt so claustrophobic. Definitely not here. All right, so I've just spotted this little thing here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm gonna pick it up. Let's see. Let me get some focus here. Come on now, focus. Is it a skeleton? No idea what that was. It was round. It's kind of powdery and chalky. Maybe a dried cocoon of some sort? Not sure. Very interesting. There's that halo around the sun today. Yesterday you couldn't quite see the whole halo. Definitely have it today.